This is the finale, and everything converges. Episode 1's library shape, Episode 2's tests, 7 episodes of workshop. Today we ship something. A little web app called the Brew Log. 3 ingredients from the shelf. Kaappi-web, kaappi-template, kaappi-sqlite. All installed the FODM way, like Season 2 taught. Storage first. Open a database, create the table if it isn't there, and notice we bind that setup call with define. Top-level expressions print their values when a script runs. A define keeps the log clean. Hard-won Season 2 wisdom. The view, an HTML template with a range loop. For each brew, a list item. And all brews turns database rows into template data. Remember the SQLite episode? Rows come back as vectors. So vector ref picks the columns, and each row becomes an A-list the template understands. Now the routes. The whole site in one expression. / renders the template for humans. / brews.json serves the same data to machines. And post / brews takes a JSON body and inserts it. With placeholders, because episode 6 of season 2 taught us about injection. 3 routes, 1 source of truth. One line to bring it alive. Wrap stacks the middleware, JSON body parsing, request logging, error pages, and serve listens on 8080. Run it in the background and talk to it like any other server. 2 brews posted, each echoed back. Ask for the page, real HTML, both brews rendered through the template. Ask for the JSON, the same 2 brews as an array of objects. 1 database, 2 faces, and kill it like any other job. If you'd rather see it pretty, that first URL renders in any browser. The receipts. The log middleware wrote down every request, listening on 8080. 2 posts, 2 gets. Small app, full stack. Routes, templates, storage, middleware, under 40 lines. And that's Season 3. You built a library and tested it. You met the tool built, the REPL's power tools, the debugger. You watched the compiler fold your constants. You called C. And today you shipped a web app. The workshop is yours now. Thanks for brewing along. Seasons 1 and 2 are on the channel. The site is kaappi-lang.org, and there's more coffee coming. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more copy.